Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Suzuki GSX1300R, also known as the Hayabusa. This bike has 8,200 miles and is offered for $11,499 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is the king of kings when it comes to super sports. This is a big bad bike and definitely not a bike for the beginner, but if you got experience on it, you're gonna love this motorcycle. In addition to all the cool stock features, it has a stainless steel Yoshimura exhaust. Also, both wheels have been chromed out. That's about $2,000 there to chrome those wheels out. Very nice looking wheels. Also added some nice chrome mirrors on it and adjustable levers and a double bubble windscreen. The bike's been gone through by our service department, did an oil and a change safety check on it, given a clean bill of health, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.